Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So today we'll be discussing as to how to score high in physics. To score high, since we are writing a competitive exam, we need to use the approach of the reverse engineering. What reverse engineering is, I will tell you after you see all the questions that have been asked in the previous question paper. Starting with the airport operations 2018 physics paper, if you see the question, the first question which was asked, in order to study the internal atomic structure of crystals, we make use of electromagnetic radiation as. So he's talking about the usage of electromagnetic radiation. So this is the application of electromagnetic radiation which he's asking. So here he's asking about the application. If you go to the next question, brilliant colors observed on the thin films of oily surface and soapy water arise due to optical phenomena. Once you know the interference applications, then you will know very clearly that it is used for this. So it is also a question about the application. Next, if you move to the third question, the state of population inversion necessary for the laser action with the concurrence of is used in solid state lasers is by. So he's also about application. So optical pumping is used. So here also is talking about the application of the population inversion. If you move to the next question, which of the following optical phenomenon gives evidence that light waves are transverse? If you know from the polarization of light, one of its application is that it proves that light waves are transverse. So this is also talking about the application of polarization. Next, laser beam is highly intense, monochromatic, coherent, and can be used in. So here also it is talking about the usage of it. So here also talking about the application. If you go and analyze all the questions of airports operations paper, I have spoken few questions. If you leave them, which are the key deciding things, remaining are only the equations, straight away equations are there, or they have asked the straight away definitions. I will not discuss each and every question because I am trying to give a strategy. The differentiating factor is people will not concentrate much on the application. They will just solve the questions or they will read the definitions. That will not help you to move ahead. You have to start with applications. These are the differentiating questions which will differentiate you from others. Let's move to the ATC paper of 2018. Here, which of the following metal is used for the generation of ultrasonic waves? If you know the ferromagnetic material usage, this is also talking about the application of ferromagnetic material. Move to the next question. Which of the following phenomena establishes the transverse nature of light? Same as the airport operations question, application of polarization. So here also it's talking about the application. Let's see the next question. In order to investigate the internal structure, we make use of. So if you know the applications of X-rays, you know that it is used to investigate the atomic crystal structure. So here also application of X-rays. Which of the following is most suitable for electromagnetics and core of transformer? So which item is used? Iron. If you know from the magnetic and materials, the uses of iron is this. So here also is talking about the application of iron applications. Same as which of the following is used for generation of ultrasonic waves. Here also it is talking about the application of quartz material. Next, hard magnetic materials use tungsten steel, steel alloy are used. Here also talking about the usage. So this is also application of the permanent magnets or the application of steel used to manufacture the permanent magnets. So here also talking about the application. Next, which are the following metal used in memory cores of computers? Again, he's talking about the application of the one of the material which is a ferrite. So that is also application. So if you go on ahead and analyzing all the physics questions now, you will arrive at the following summary. I will brief you. First is all are application based questions. Application based is approximately 30%. If you move to the definitions, they are 30%. Straight away definitions are asked. And remaining 40% is equation based. If you know the definition, if you know the equation and how what all conclusions you can make from that equation, then you can answer those questions. These two anybody can answer. The differentiating thing is this application based questions. So what is reverse engineering? I was telling to use this method. Reverse engineering is a method where first we'll start with the application. It's like physics. How it works is applications are developed. Then mathematical models are derived to check the compatibility. Every physics has to be, means every physics equations has to be compatible with mathematics, means mathematics has to agree with physics. It's not that physics is not in agreement with mathematics. Physics, every equations are based on mathematical models only. So this is reverse engineering, starting with the applications and then moving to this. So this is how, if you just analyze the questions, no, you will know they are talking about the applications, and this will help you score high marks. If you have liked the video and analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.